Try this again.
Yep.
I think you have to press it twice. Okay. I probably just pressed it once. Okay. I'm going to go from now. Now you back out. Hi, I'm Jeanette Lawson with Kiel Island Getaways. Here to make a mess in the kitchen. I'm going to show you about how we're making our deviled eggs. Okay. My hens are in the backyard. I've got 20 hens. I've got 4 chicks and I've got 1 rooster. And they are my pets. So I'm going to show you those later. But anyhow, I just mixed up some of this deviled egg filling, and I use a bit of pepper. I use Dijon mustard. I use, of course, mayonnaise. But in this case, lately, I've been using the avocado mayonnaise from Costco, which is really good. You can also use like Duke's. I love Duke's. It's the Southern mayonnaise. And I put in a little bit less mayo and add some avocado, okay, instead of the mayo, you know, or I should just say kind of half it. Anyhow, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Then I mix it in with some of this. I've pre-chopped some of this relish, and so I've made my own relish, and I use the Mount Olive kosher petite dills. They're very crunchy, and I like that crunch, and it's got a little kick to it. So anyhow, I'm going to show you how I'm doing this. What I like to do, I've already got one done. It's beautiful. But I'm going to show you how I'm putting these together. I've had a blast collecting these vintage 1970s, pretty much, plates from, you know, eBay. So I love this. This one says Devilish Good Eggs. So very retro. I love that. And so what I'm doing here is I've got this frosting pipe bag, okay, which I also bought on Amazon. And I'm putting this in here. It's kind of messy, but it does the job. Cleanup is not fun, especially for somebody that's OCD like myself. But I'm just going to fill this bag with all this deviled egg filling that I've mixed up. And you can go online and get your own deviled egg recipe, but I find it's something that you just get an eye for. You kind of, I don't even use a recipe anymore. I just kind of throw stuff together. And now you see this, I'll get the relish out of the way. Okay, and what I'm doing here is I'm just throwing that in there. I'm piping, you know, it's kind of like frosting the eggs, only it's with the good stuff. Anyhow, if you ever want to come visit my hens, let me know. I love my hens. I'll bathe them. Sometimes I'll walk them around the neighborhood with Sean. And we just enjoy all sorts of that kind of stuff. I love to hold them and love on them. I love to calm them down. I give them like a chicken spa treatment too, where I'll give them a little massage. They love their base of their tail feathers. Okay, so here we've got one. Okay, I've got it all squirted in there. And this little dude made it very easy. Now, most people like to just kind of put a little paprika on there, but I have found that cayenne gives it a little bit of a kick. So I'll use a majority of cayenne on the top, okay? Don't tell anybody. Shh, that's a secret. And then I'll mix in a little paprika just so, you know, people don't get too, you know. And then I put it all together in this little can. I get this from Amazon. Cute little shaker. It's makes everything easy. And it's only like a couple dollars, you know, on Amazon. So I've got this. I'm shaking it on there. Just making it really special looking. And so that's pretty good. Got it like that. Okay. And then I'm going to come in with the relish. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I love pre-chopping my relish. It makes it so easy to get this done. If I have to pull out a knife and chop relish every time I make deviled eggs, it'll just kill me. So I'm putting a little bit of this chopped dill on there. And look how pretty that is. Very nice, huh? I've got it a little confused. Usually I put the paprika / cayenne on after the dill pickle, but you know how it is when you're filming. You just get distracted with the audience. So anyhow, that's my beautiful treat. And someday, you know, maybe if you come to visit, I can't promise I'm going to have this, but our guests have very much enjoyed opening up the refrigerator door after a long trip and seeing a treat in the refrigerator from us. Keep in mind, these are homemade. I enjoy doing this. You are my guests, and we try to make everything very special for you at Key Wilding Getaways. I hope y'all have a great day. Ciao.